I first started with a normal cartoon sketch of Radha Krishna. I draw the face first, then I draw the hairs. The Radha is behind of Krishna, that's why I'm not drawing her body. I also draw a peacock feather. I colored the eyeliner with black pen. Then I colored the whole eye pupil with black color. To show the main pupil, I colored it with the black pen. Then I did the white hair to show the eye shine. I color all the figures with a pencil color. I painted the background with bright watercolors to show Holi flying in the sky. So this is the final result. Happy Holi!